Well, I feel like we completed a bit of a puzzle this week with a reveal of the living rooms of those incredible kitchens. Rachel and Ryan took out the win, and I could not love that living room they created more. It all just felt completely cohesive, and yet again, I genuinely feel this is really going to appeal to out-of-town buyers who want to have a similar house to what they live in the city and a similar standard of living. And I think they're doing that with this beautiful polished concrete, but they've warmed it up with gorgeous rugs, beautiful contemporary finishes, while still really feeling you are in the heart of the countryside. All that maybe want to do is grab a drink, sit on that sofa with my children around me and just have a beautiful weekend. I also really loved Tom and Sarah Jane's living room this week. I thought it was absolutely vast, and I do agree with the judges that it needs to be styled more correctly. I'm talking oversized sofas, some more big cozy rugs and finishes to make it kind of feel more plush, I suppose, and a bit more homely. And as for that addition of a mini grand piano by Omar and Oz, an amazing idea, an amazing, beautiful piano in itself. Love it, but boys, you've got to do it by the rules.